Wel veel geleerd in Turkije.
Ja, zeker. Al die workshops.
Ja, man.
Waar hebben jullie nou het meest van genoten?
Ik denk dat stukje het toneel over Europa.
Oh, over de Europese Unie.
Ja.
Ja, border, weet je nog?
Oh ja, dat is leuk hè? Ja.
Ja. Laten we nog even gaan kijken.
Ja, laten we die beelden bekijken. Zeg Kikke-TV.
Sorry?
Kikke-TV.
KikkeTV.
No, not now.
Kikke-TV.
Kikke-TV. Yeah.
Stop. Border control. Give me your passport.
I have no passport. I don't know. I have ID. Is it okay?
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Now
Okay.
you're in European Union, you can cross the border. You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Welcome to Poland.
Hello, European. I dare to approach you and tell you that your greatest fill my heart with hope for a better future.
Hello, Romania. You look nice, but I need to know what you can offer me and what do you expect from me?
I am young, hardworking, ambitious, open-minded, and I embrace changes for my professional and personal development.
Romania, will you join the European Union for better and for worse in health and sickness, peace and war, bombs and crisis?
I will.
European Union, will you take Romania to protect her, to offer her opportunities, to support her and to make it better?
I will.
Okay, Romania, I now pronounce you member of the European Union and now you can shake hands.
Oh, I'm so bored in the Netherlands. You want to go to Belgium?
Yeah, why not?
The border is right over there.
What is the border?
Border.
What can we do here?
Oh, we're so bored in Belgium. Let's go to Germany.
Yeah,
Let's go to Germany.
That was easy. Drink on beer.
Yeah, it's
Have a lot of
German beer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go to Turkey.
Let's go to Turkey.
Let's go to Turkey.
Visa, please. Visa, please.
We hebben gewoon besloten dat we gewoon in plaats van de standaard dingen te nemen die we al normaal altijd nemen. Ja, hebben we gewoon alleen maar toetjes gepakt. Toetjes en drinken.
Ja, er is niks lekker dus hè. Ja, ook het enige wat we nodig hebben is een lepel.
Okay, let's try this.
It's really good. Today we were at the beach. It was so sunny and the day is so nice. And it will be for the next 3 days, and we're gonna enjoy it.
Yes, definitely. You like the people?
Yes, everybody's so nice and open and friendly and good.
Okay. Do you like the people here also?
Yeah, especially you.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, you
You're
like my
funny.
music, eh? Yes,
You're funny.
okay, that's good.
The week?
Yes. You having fun?
Yeah, but no, I
Very tired.
Very tired. It's exhausting.
Yeah.
Yes, you don't sleep a lot.
No.
Do you like the activities and the workshops?
Yeah. Why not?
And the people?
Yeah.
Nice people?
Holland people.
Kikke-TV is Kikke.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.